5 unique facts about the F-35 aircraft. 1. Multi-role capability. The F-35 is a multi-role fighter designed to excel in air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions, providing a versatile platform for various military needs. 2. Stealth technology. Incorporating advanced stealth features, the F-35 is designed to minimize its radar cross-section, enhancing its ability to operate in contested environments with reduced visibility to enemy radar. 3. Variants for different services. The F-35 comes in 3 main variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, CTOL, the F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL, and the F-35C for catapult launches and arrested landings on aircraft carriers. 4. International collaboration. The F-35 program is a result of collaboration between multiple countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Italy, Netherlands, Australia, Canada, Denmark, Norway, and Turkey. This multinational effort reflects a shared commitment to developing advanced military capabilities. 5. Advanced sensor fusion. The F-35 features state-of-the-art sensor fusion technology, integrating information from various sensors to provide the pilot with a comprehensive and real-time picture of the battle space. This enhances situational awareness and decision-making in complex operational scenarios.